Hello, I'm Dr. Pradeep Sahu from Raipur, Chhattisgarh. I belong to surgical fraternity. I'm a pediatric surgeon but working in a peripheral hospital, I have come across various cases where people are suffering from various types of pain belonging to the joints and the shoulder, hip, knees, etc. So, little bit of practice of pain management I was doing in my place, but I did not know much about the nuances of the procedures. So I came across this course and I applied for it and I was allowed to attend this class. And after coming here, I am hugely and immensely benefited by this course. So both the faculties here, they are extremely good in teaching. They are extremely well versed with their contents. They have technical advantage. They got all the machines, all the things, and they are very well in doing what they are doing. So they have taught everything in such a manner that everything becomes extremely easy for someone who is not belonging to the anesthesia branch also. So I came here with little bit of knowledge, but I am going from here with a large amount of knowledge, huge, immense knowledge base, and I'm sure that I will be able to help my patients in a much better way now. Thank you. And also I recommend this course to every person who is interested in relieving the people from their pain, the chronic pain. Thank you.